In this video, we're going to dive into how to use Mailchimp's audience insights to level up your email marketing strategy. Stick around till the end to learn some pro tips that'll make sure you're getting the most out of this powerful tool. And don't forget, you can use Mailchimp for free with our exclusive bonuses through the first link below. Audience Insights is one of the most underrated features in Mailchimp, and if you're not using it, you're missing out. It helps you understand your audience's behavior and preferences, which is key to improving your campaigns. Let's jump right in. First thing, when you log into Mailchimp, head to the Audience tab. You'll see a comprehensive overview of all your audience data. But here's where things get really useful. You can segment your audience based on various metrics like location, purchase history, and engagement levels. This helps you send hyper-targeted emails that your subscribers will actually want to read. Next thing, you can dive deeper into the demographics of your audience. Mailchimp's Audience Insights tool breaks down your audience by age, gender, and location. This can help you understand which segments of your audience are the most engaged and tailor your content to them. If you notice certain age groups are responding better to specific content, you can tweak your emails for better relevance. The third thing, look at the engagement data. Here you'll see open rates, click rates, and other key metrics. This helps you identify which emails are performing the best and which ones might need a little tweaking. Using this data, you can experiment with subject lines, content, and send times to find what works best for your audience. The fourth thing, Mailchimp's Audience Insights also gives you predictive analytics. This feature helps you understand what your subscribers might be interested in next. It looks at their past behavior to predict future actions, allowing you to craft your next email campaign with data-driven insights. This is a game changer because it's not just about looking at past performance, but anticipating your audience's needs. Next, let's talk about tags. Mailchimp allows you to tag your contacts based on their behavior. For instance, you can tag those who clicked on a specific product or showed interest in a certain topic. This way, you can send follow-up emails that are more likely to convert, rather than sending generic campaigns to your entire list. Lastly, Mailchimp lets you track the growth of your audience over time. You can see how many new subscribers you're gaining each month and how many are unsubscribing. This gives you a solid idea of how your campaigns are impacting your overall list growth. So, to recap, Mailchimp's Audience Insights helps you segment your audience, dive into demographics, track engagement, leverage predictive analytics, tag contacts for targeted follow-ups, and monitor list growth. And don't forget, using this tool is completely free when you sign up through the first link below. Remember, understanding your audience is the key to better email marketing, and with these insights, you can optimize your campaigns for higher engagement and more conversions. Finally, we've got a special bonus for you. By signing up through the first link in the description, you'll get an exclusive extended free trial to Mailchimp's premium features. That's your chance to dive even deeper into audience analytics and really take your email marketing to the next level. Don't miss out.